This is a neat little tool that has a mini tool built into it that has 10 features, as well as a chain tool and 4 spoke wrenches. Everything is held together in this neat little case, high-powered magnet, so hold it nice and tight while you're on the trail. And the case itself also serves as a handle for additional leverage when using the bits on the tool. The chain tool can be configured by using the number 4mm bit and is compatible with 8 to 12 speed chains and would be orientated as such. Holding a chain tool in place with your thumb, you would drive the pin out, do your repair, and once you're done, it all tucks away nice and neat into the case. And you're done. In order to use the spoke wrenches, same thing. Just find the appropriate size, slide it over, make your appropriate repair, and when you're done, return it to the case. And the best feature of all is hidden on the back side of the case is it has a built-in bottle opener for the end of the day.
Today I'm thrilled to present to you Junior's Euro 17 Multitool. This Euro 17 Multitool is the most complete from the Junior's Euro range. It's a little bit like holding a toolbox into your hand. Okay, let's go into a bit more details. Junior's Euro 17 Multitool contains everything you need. Junior's Multitool are made in Europe to the highest standards and with the best materials. For highest tolerance and greater durability, the tips of the tool are black oxide coated and the spindles are chrome plated. Junior's Euro 17 Multitool only weighs 176 grams. Junior's Euro 17 Multitool includes a 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm X wrenches. It also includes a 10 and a 25 mm torque wrench. Because screwdrivers are always handy, it includes a PH1 screwdriver as well as a flat 1x5 screwdriver. Because weltering can definitely happen on the track, the Euro 17 Multitool is equipped with a 3.3, 345 and DT spoke tool. To remove and install valve cores, this multi-tool includes a Presta and Schrader valve tool. Finally, the Euro 17 Multitool includes a chain tool. The valve core tool is used as a handle. Once the handle is installed, rotate the tool so the pin can push the chain pin. All good, told you. This little thing is a beauty. Great quality, easy to pack. If you have any further questions, just contact us. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.
The new Wolftooth Components ultralight 8-bit pack pliers is a must-have upgrade for your on-the-bike toolkit. There are 8 removable bits that are held in place magnetically, and we are going to give you a quick rundown of the functions. First, the spoke and valve core wrench on the back of the tool can be used by itself to install or remove your valve core, or to tighten or loosen your spokes. You can slip it into the swivel head if you need more leverage. Next, slide open the pliers and you'll see a place to store a spare set of quick links. If you need to break your chain, you'll use the pliers to squeeze together the quick link to allow you to disengage it. You can also use the pliers to tighten or loosen the valve stem lock nut. There are 6 tool bits also stored inside of the tool. The bits stored on the outer edges are double-sided. The 5mm and 6mm hex bits are single-sided and are stored in the center. All of these fit into the swivel head, which doubles as an 8mm hex wrench, and can be used in line like a screwdriver, or you can flip it either direction depending on how you need to access the bolt, or how much torque you need to loosen or tighten. Lastly, there is the valve stem cleaner. You'll use this to clear your valve stem of any sealant that may be clogging the airway if you are running your tires tubeless. Check out wolftoothcomponents.com for more information on the 8-bit pack pliers or to see our full lineup of components, tools, accessories, and more.